Good morning to Miss and everyone. I'm Aaron from Group 7 and our group are going to do the presentation for Group Assignment 1. Before we go to Task 2, I would like to state that our group had decided to do the research of Sony and Edify. My friend Kelvin has sorted the data into the form of line graph and let's start the presentation from it.
Graph Sonic and Edify stock return from 1998 to 2020. Both of them show an uptrend. However, the Sonic uptrend is higher than the Edify uptrend. But in 2002, the Edify value is higher than the Sonic value, which is 584 than 326.
Here's the formula of our calculation. Mean equals to the total of observations divided by the number of data. Median is the average of the two middle values as the observations is even, while mode is the most frequently occurring value in the dataset.
For the Sonic mean and median mode, we did arrange the value in ascending order from the lowest value to the highest value. For the mean, we did sum up all the stock return and divided by 24. So the value is 399.79 ringgit. For the median, we did sum up the middle value, which is 348 and 398 ringgit, and divided by 2, which is the value is 373 ringgit. For the mode is 410 ringgit.
As the previous chart of Sonic shown, its maximum stock return is 613, which was reached in 2020, while its minimum stock return is 297, which falls on 1999. So the range is 319. From the chart, we can identify that the average stock return per year is 399 and 79 cents, and the central value of the data is 373.
For the Edify mean and median graph, we did arrange the value in ascending order too, from the lowest value to the highest value. For the mean, we did also sum all the stock return and divided by 24, and we get the value is 320 ringgit. For the median, we did sum both of the middle value, which is 333 ringgit and 337 ringgit, which is 335 ringgit.
The maximum stock return of Edify was reached in 2002, which is 584, while the minimum stock return of Edify falls on 2006, which is 218, so the range is 366. From the chart, we can also identify that the average stock return per year of Edify is 320, and the central value of the data is 335.
Okay, move on to the next task, which is task 3. So this is the formula that we're gonna use for this task. The left side is for sample variance and the right side is for sample standard deviation, and the last one is for coefficient of variation. First thing first, we need to calculate the observation x minus sample mean, which is 297 minus 399.79, and we will get 102.79. After that, we will simply square the answer and then we will get 10565.78. We will do the same for the rest. Go back to sample variance formula just now, sum all of them up and we will get to 25545.86, and after that we will divide it by n minus 1, which is 24 minus 1, and we will get 9806.34%. Then to find standard deviation, simply take the square root of sample variance. Square root of 9806.34%, and we will get 99.03%. Last but not least, to find CV, sample deviation divided by sample mean, and we will get 0.25%. We will do the same for the Edify and repeat the same step like Sonic.
Hi, I'm Rachel. So we'll continue to the task 4. After we get the data for Sonic, so we need to arrange this data so we can find the minimum and the maximum number and the sample size. This is the summary values table for Sonic. For the minimum number 297.00, maximum 613.00, 25 percentile 319.50, 50 percentile 373.00, and 75 percentile is 425.75. So this is the formula how we find the percentile, and after that we will find the AQR, lower limit, upper limit, and we can find the outlier. So based on the above data, the value 613 is considered an outlier. After we get all the data, so we can draw the box plot. So the distribution of box plots is very symmetric. For Edify data, we also need to arrange this number to find the minimum until maximum number and the sample size. So this is the summary values table for Edify. Minimum is 218, maximum is 584, 25 percentile is 254.25, 50 percentile is 335, and 75 percentile is 364.25. Same like the previous formula, this is the way how we find the percentile, AQR, lower limit, and upper limit. So after we get the lower limit and upper limit, we can find the outliers, which is the outlier in the data set, which is 584.00. After we get all the data, we can draw a box plot. So the distribution of the box plot is not symmetric. It is skewness because the distance between Q1 with the median and Q3 with the median is not the same.
Hi, my name is Bun Ifat and I will be presenting for the conclusion. As a personal investor, I will choose Sony stock because it provides greater return, which is 399 ringgit and 79 cents per year, even though the risk for Sony that could not get the stock return is 99.03%. For Edify stock, it has 320 ringgit per year, whereas the risk to lose the stock is 80.54%. Another reason I choose Sony because based on the summary values table for both firms, we can see that the highest value for Sony stock is 630 ringgit, while the highest value for Edify stock is only 584 ringgit. So in a conclusion, the higher the stock return, the higher the risk that could lose the stock. That's all from Group 7. Thanks for watching. Bye.